The president doesn't understand the immigration crisis. I think from what he was saying, I could figure that. First of all, he says that they're going to increase deportation and increase courts. That's not the issue. The current issue is they don't have enough transport to deport people. The border, the drones that they have are not enough. The border is operating at 25% capacity. So 75% of our border is open. If you're addressing an immigration and porous borders issue, you cannot ignore the fact that our border is only functional at 25%. Currently at the ports, there's only one scanner machine that can scan what's coming in and out of our border. On top of that, he talks about being able to increase immigration officers on the ground and says they're the only people that can do that. And there's only 800 immigration officers in the entire country. How does he envision being able to properly do deportations and verifications of these people? On top of that, the Home Affairs system is not currently responding to the fact that people can go with their cell phones, those 800 immigration officers with their cell phones, and go and check those people. So those people have to be taken to Home Affairs to be checked, etc., etc. That's how the process goes.
I think here she really cooked, and she saved the president, because right now you can feel that she's not like in the overnight stand. She knows what she's talking about, and she's addressing what the president was supposed to address us, like really, not these things I show you, because or maybe banga control abantu about 800. Yena ngavula nje amathuba emisebenzi yaqasha abantu babekwiBhoda, wonke labantu laba abalapha kwiBhoda aba corrupt baboshwe bagcwala ijele and futhi baphucwe nazo zonke ama license abo kusebenza.
And he's talking about refugees and all of these things about refugees. Currently we have more fake refugees than we do have genuine refugees in South Africa. And he's not talking about how do you get rid of the current refugees that you have before telling us about refugee centers. Because putting those refugee centers there is not going to help if you've got documents. So tell us how you're going to get rid of the people who have documents that are fake currently.
And Jacinta, very briefly, before I let you go, there's something else that the president speaks about, which is something that I'm keen to hear. How are you,
Yeah, well, I'm very biased. I'm very disappointed to this journalist, mainstream media, because they are very biased. Some questions are, they're more like throwing off whatever she's trying to say. But she comes back very strong in every question, because you can understand what she's going through right now, because everybody's looking at her now. And and for some reason, as president, it's a but he didn't mention what is social or some sort of heavy presence. Boys.
As the group, much going to be dealing with this. The president speaks about the fact that he wants to make sure that the verification of documents, I know you're speaking about the documents and the fake documents, etc. He says that this should be done by those who are within the law, in fact, who are part of government, who are authorized to be able to do this. How then do you ensure that you do not have people who are not part of the officials who are then going to try and take the matters into their own hands?
Thank you so much. That's a very good question. So here's the problem that we have in South Africa. Currently, the government is trying to deal with the immigration crisis without the people. And I can safely tell you, if they wanted to make sure that there's no violence, that people are abiding by the laws when dealing with the immigration crisis, they should have formulated a plan that includes communities in getting rid of illegal immigrants. And now here's the problem with what the president is saying. In Section 24 of the Immigration Act and the Criminal Procedures Act, we are entitled to enforce citizens' arrests. The president cannot simply ignore and disown that, because that is not what the law says. The law gives us the powers as communities to say, hey, here's a criminal, come and take them. So he can't say that South Africans must completely not be able to assist in the immigration problem. He should have come up with a way that says that South Africans, you are the ones that live with these people. Some of them are in your houses. The law doesn't allow for you to assist illegal immigrants. Here is how we work together with the communities to get rid of illegal immigrants. On top of that, he tells you that he's going to be imprisoning labor employers who are employing illegal immigrants. But currently, legislation doesn't allow him to do that. He needs to be.
See now, guys, I don't want to waste your time. What's your take on this? Who's right? Who's wrong? Jacinta says she like his sentiment, and I feel like Jacinta is telling the truth because she's fighting for us. But I feel like, President, you know, with the rest of the other politicians, they are not on our side. But before I even let you go, guys, if you love my work and you love my comedy, please, you guys, you can buy a ticket here to Web Ticket. The link is going to be in the description, or you can get them a ticket. Pick and Pay. The show is called a Blind Date Comedy Show. Fly Motion Live. Ngajabula kunibona lapho ma D.O.P amahle. And you said Sisibe credit on that day. So please, ama-tickets they are running at 160 at Web Ticket. Naga Pick and Pay as about 200 rand. The door. So Silapana, Pinback Morningside next to Zai restaurant. It's a very nice place, guys. I want to see you there. Let's have some fun. And also don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. It makes our job very easy and it reaches other people about the content essence. So thank you so much for tuning in, because the mainstream media won't tell you like we do. So guys, thank you so much, and making sure we are put up a comment section about this whole situation, President versus Jacinta Ngobese. Thank you.